4-letter English words with Hindi. BALL. Ball. Ball means gained. BOOK. Book. Book means kitab. FISH. Fish. Fish means machli. TREE. Tree. Tree means पेड़. BIRD. Bird. Bird means pakshi. FROG. Frog. From means mendak. LION. Lion. Lion means sher. BEAR. Bear. Bear means bhalu. DUCK. Duck. Duck means battak. STAR. Star. Star means tara. MON. Moon. Moon means chand. RAIN. Rain. Rain means barish. MILK. Milk. Milk means doodh. CORN. Corn. Corn means makka. SHIP. Ship. Ship means jahaj. SNOW. Snow. Snow means burf. WIND. Wind. Wind means hava. LEAF. Leaf. Leaf means patta. ROCK. Rock. Rock means chatta. DOR. Door. Door means darwaza. CAKE. Cake. Cake means cake. RICE. Rice. Rice means chawal. HAND. Hand. Hand means heart. SHOP. Shop. Shop means dukan. KITE. Kite. Kite means patang. Well. Well. Well means kua. Seat. Seat. Seat means seat. Fire. Fire. Fire means ag. Hill. Hill. Hill means pahad. Jump. Jump. Jump means kurna. Wolf. Wolf. Wolf means bhediya. Thanks for watching.